So, next naman po is yung online shopping cart. So, we need to input three product names, their quantities, and unit prices. Compute the total amount and display a mini receipt like ganito po. Mag-output po siya ng sample receipt. So, ang code po niyan is ito. So, P name 1, short for product name 1. P-Quan 1 is product quantity 1 and P-Unit 1 is the product unit price. So, hinihingi po yan each product. So, tatlong product po yan. So, ang next naman po, gumawa po tayo ng variable para makompute po yung total ng P1, product 1, P2, which is product 2, and P3. Kung ilan po yung quantity and ilan po yung unit price. And final, yung total po ng lahat ng binili. So, pinag-add po lahat ng total. And ang output po niyan is like a receipt po. And kina-call out po natin per line is yung per product po and non-total. And the final line po is yung pinaka-total po ng lahat ng nabili. Pag niram po natin yan, ito po. So, example, apples, 5.20. Next naman po is orange, 2.15. And mango, 3.17.50. So, ito po yung magiging final output po niya. Nangingi po siya ng product name, quantity, and unit price per product, which is 3 products po yan. So, 1, 2, and 3. And ang final output po niya sa baba is yung cart summary, which is 5 apples, 20 pesos each, 100. And pinag-total lang po lahat yan, kaya naging 182.50 po yung last price.